Well, hello beauties, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with Chifo. Yeah, on today's video guys, I'm going to be reviewing a very good body wash. Yes, we all know the importance of body wash in our skincare routine. So today I've come with a particular body wash. This body wash is now the banger in town. Yes guys, this body wash is the best of the best currently. I am not marketing the product anyways, but you'll get to find out why I said it's the best of the best. It's a body wash that you can use and you will know that you have rest of mind, like you will not have any issues. So stay tuned while I reveal this product to you. But again, if you're a new subscriber to our channel guys, we want to welcome you for clicking on today's video. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to our channel, like, comment on our videos, and for our returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. We want to just say thank you for your continuous support to our channels. So guys, let's quickly dive into it. This shower gel is no other than the Golden Glow Intensive Whitening Shower Gel. It's Golden Glow Intensive White Exfoliating Whitening Shower Gel. Guys, this shower gel is infused with a lot of beautiful ingredients. Yes, I must say it is well enriched and well formulated. Guys, if you're looking for a shower gel that you will use safely and not have any form of reaction, and it will so exfoliate your skin well, like evenly, then it is this Golden Glow, or is this C/M Golden Glow shower gel. Yes, now I'm talking about the carrot one. Now this carrot one has carrot as its main ingredient. It also has turmeric. You know, turmeric helps to smoothen and exfoliate your skin well. It also has alpha arbutin, guys. Yes, and we know that alpha arbutin is a whitening agent or a lightening agent that lightens you safely and evenly. Like, it will not give you all this kind of uneven or patch here and there type of lightening. So you know December is approaching and we're all looking for something that will make our skin glow in this December, to do a dirty December. So guys, this shower gel, I must say, is an A shower gel for me, yeah, because it is well formulated. It's a type of shower gel that if you're the kind of person who like to maybe mix your shower gel, but you know I don't always preach pro mixing and keeping. So maybe you use oil to mix your shower gel, or you mix your shower gel with other types of other forms of ingredients. You can just mix it for a day, maybe the one you want to use for that day, and use it. Not that you mix and leave for months. No, perhaps you want to put an oil or you want to put any other thing to activate your shower gel, you can use it. But for me, I don't see why you should activate your shower gel, because by itself is already activated, guys. It has turmeric extract, it has alpha arbutin, it has what else, it has carrot extract. So guys, this is well formulated. So if you're somebody who really has all this uneven skin, your skin is so dull, and you're looking for shower gel that will so exfoliate you gradually and well, then go for this Golden Glow shower gel, guys. I'm not kidding. This shower gel lightens. It can give you up to a shade or two between now and December if you start using it from now. I am not marketing this product. I don't have affiliation with them, but I just feel like telling you the honest truth, because this shower gel doesn't have all those kind of ingredients that would harm your skin or react to your skin. But peradventure you decide to use it and you start seeing any form of reaction, guys, for me I would say discontinue. Anything that is giving you reaction, maybe white patches, or is making part of your body lighter than the other part, then I would say maybe you reduce the pace at which you use it. If you're using it every day, maybe you want to reduce to using it like 3 or 4 times a day. And when you're starting, start gradually. Maybe start by doing nights only, use it at night when you're having your evening shower. Or if you must use it during the day, then maybe you need to put a sunscreen. But really, this shower gel is cool and is a whooping 1000, that's 1 liter, which is 1000 milligram, and it will go a long way, and it lathers well. Yes, it lathers very well, because a little goes a long way. So if you just put little in your sponge, or if you're using your gloves, it will be enough to lather and clean your whole body. And when using shower gels, I always tell people, don't just use your shower gel and rinse off. You can just leave it for like say 1 minute or to stay on your skin, such that it penetrates and exfoliates your skin well, because most of the shower gels are infused with ingredients that exfoliate your skin, so they tend to exfoliate you more than bar soap. And I will always say, when you're trying to lighten, it's best you pair it with a shower gel than a bar soap, because shower gel really will help you to shower gel will help to, you know, exfoliate the dead skin cells, such that your lightening product can penetrate and work well. So guys, if you want to get this product, it's not a bad one, I would say. But again, if you have used it and it has given you issue, please discontinue and don't over pro mix. Some of us I have seen a video, I'm going to drop that video so that you will see, where somebody bought a shower gel and he was putting a lot of things he or she has manufactured a total concoction. So please don't over mix your product, because the manufacturer may have used some formulations that cannot exceed some pH level, and by you going to mix it with other chemicals that cannot withstand that pH, you end up cooking up a disaster in the name of promixing a product. So if you must promix, I would say just use light oils. If you are the type that use oils to promix your shower gel, or if you're using any other thing, just look for things that are mild. Don't go and use other things that are very harsh. So on this note, guys, I'm going to call this video a wrap. Please, if you have found this video helpful, do give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Until I come your way next time, see your girl Chifo. Bye.